APC 8,673, PDP 9,339. We thereby demand a restoration of the collation process in accordance with the Electoral Act and the INEC rules and regulations for this election. Any other illegal and unlawful actions going forward will be a violation of the will of the people and an abuse of the Electoral Act 2022. Thank you.
Shameful election. Adamawa State Governor says, I weep for Nigeria's democracy as he questions Edo election results. Adamawa State Governor Ahmadu Fintiri has strongly condemned the outcome of Edo State governorship election. This comes after the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) declared Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress (APC) as the winner of the September 21st poll. Governor Fintiri expressed his deep concern for Nigeria's democracy, describing the election as shameful. In a statement, he said, I weep for Nigeria's democracy after witnessing the shameful Edo gubernatorial poll. The governor addressed accusations that he had improperly announced the results, clarifying that he had merely shared information from INEC's Rev portal, which contained officially collated results from various local government areas.
I did not announce. I'm quite aware of the Electoral Act provision, and I did not announce results. I only informed the public on the exact figure from our collection agent that was ongoing before INEC disrupted the process and they moved the collation to the INEC headquarters, which is as well contrary to the INEC, Electoral Act provision. So INEC should be accused of violating the Electoral Act, not me, because I have not announced any result. I only released figures that were ongoing as at the collation time that INEC stopped collation at this.
Fintiri criticized what he called a blatant disregard for democratic norms. Despite movement restrictions, he pointed to reports of the APC national chairman arriving in Edo by private jet on the election day. The governor also alleged that APC governors used armored escorts to intimidate voters. According to Fintiri, public outrage has been directed at INEC with accusation of compromising the electoral process and favoring the APC. He cited reports of vote buying, disruption of collation processes, and suspicious results showing more votes than accredited voters. The governor called for accountability and condemned what he termed a rape of democracy, stating that the world is watching and Nigeria deserves better. As this story continues to develop, stay tuned to NaijaNews TV
a live
for further
press
updates on this
conference by
continuous
the Edo
election
PDP
and its aftermath.
National